We are playing absolutely no games. Put your mirror all the way down. You could use a screwdriver, little pick, anything straight. Come up top. There's 2 spots you can see inside here where there's tabs. I'm putting pressure right here because I released the outer tab. Now I'm gonna go in here. It kind of sounded like something might have broke, but it didn't. But how this works is, this is a great angle. Come in here and you're pushing down on that tab, and then up there is another one you're pushing down. I think it's easiest if you start here and then come to this one. Hooray, the hardest part's over. Now grab the light, pull it out gently, grab the rubber, pull the bulb out, grab the actual bulb, pull that out easily. You have your lights that you ordered with the link in the description of this video. Pop them open. Even comes with a pry tool, I didn't even know that. And a little screwdriver with a star bit. Here are the smoked sequentials. I'm not a fan of smoked anything. Don't like smoked anything, but this is an exception because it will blend into the black part of the side. You'll see, it'll look great. This connector is where the bulb would go. It's important to grab the right one, left or right. Just check the shape right here. Grab this, plug it into where the bulb would go. You can see the red is on the left side on the factory wire. Red is on the left side. Don't even know if that matters. Please someone confirm in the comments if that matters or not. I'm gonna start by pushing this edge in, and then this will pop in. That's it, let's make sure it works. Yeah! Put your cover's pretty much in place, and then we're gonna push it in. Fitment is good down here, this corner, and the top. Job is done. See, this looks factory. This isn't too much black. You might be thinking that because of the comparison right now, but no one would ever think it's anything not OEM in my opinion. If you enjoyed working on the RS today with me, you're gonna enjoy changing the oil with me because me and editor Justin, we made it a good time. You have a Raptor, Focus RS, Focus ST, Fiesta ST. We got oil change kits linked for you in the description of this video. Recommend go check it out. Thanks for stopping by.